Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are whipping up a super effective avocado hair mask that will leave your hair soft, shiny and deeply conditioned. This quick and natural recipe is packed with nutrients to nourish your strands. So guys, let's get started. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. To prepare avocado hair mask, you need 1 ripe avocado, 1 lemon, and also you need coconut oil because of its hydrating properties. So first, cut the avocado into half. So slicing the avocado into half is the easiest and the effective way to access the pit and the flesh. The two halves gives you a better control when preparing avocado for mashing or blending, ensuring a smoother consistency for your hair mask. So my next step is gently peeling off the skin and slice it into small pieces, and this is going to make blending or mashing much easier and quicker. Also, smaller pieces are simpler to break down, ensuring you achieve a smooth and lump-free texture for your avocado hair mask. And my next step is mashing the avocado, and I'm going to mash it thoroughly until smooth, ensuring there are no large chunks. Next, squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice, which will help balance scalp pH and add shine to your hair. Thoroughly mix well until the ingredients combine together. So our next ingredient is we are going to add in a tablespoon of coconut oil, which is known for its deep conditioning properties, and mix it well until smooth and lump free. So guys, my hair mask is smooth, creamy and lump free, and this nourishing hair mask is now ready for application. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope this avocado hair mask works wonders for your hair. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone who needs a little hair love. Be sure to subscribe for more natural hair care tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.